Hello everyone, very good evening. Myself Aryan Singh, the student of Codevirus Security. So today my topic is how artificial intelligence, that means AI, is dangerous for us in future. So don't let's go to our PPT which I made. So going to AI, the artificial intelligence. So first going to the introduction. So, artificial intelligence AI is the intelligence of machines or softwares as opposed to the intelligence of human beings or animals. That means AI runs on machines or softwares which was created by human beings. So, now going to the part of the dark side of AI. So, there's a first thing which was privacy and data security, which was very dangerous for us if someone is seeking our privacy. So let's take a brief intro. With privacy and data security, AI systems often requires vast amount of data to function effectively. So that means AI is reading our data, like he needs our data to survive, according to me. So this can raise privacy concerns as personal information may be collected, analyzed and potentially misused or leaked. Mark my words. This can be potentially misused or leaked also. So let's going through the other part, bias and discrimination. So yes, AI algorithms are only good as the data they are trained on. So that means AI is having a training. They have a training platform. So if the data used for training is biased or reflect humans' prejudices, so what should we expect from the AI? They have a training center of their own. They are running on the data which was can bring issue to our privacy and security. So AI systems can predict and amplify these biases, leading to discriminatory outcomes for certain individuals or groups. So that's all about bias and discrimination. Going to like the main thing that AI affect us in future, which was is job displacement, because AI is an automation can lead to job losses in certain industries as machines can perform tasks faster and more efficiently than humans. That means AI are made to do work fast as human beings. So that means they can snatch our jobs in future because a human being in a certain of the period of work they can be tired, but AI will not be tired. They can work 24 into 7. So this can lead to economic hardship for those who lose their job and can't find the alternative employment. And there is a security risk also. I again repeat security risk. AI can be exploited by malicious actors to conduct cyber attacks, deceive individuals through deepfakes, or create advanced phishing scams that are difficult to detect in AI because AI is so clever and that's making more dangerous. So there is lack of transparency and accountability in AI because some AI models, particularly complex deep learning networks, can be challenging to interpret and understand fully. This lack of transparency makes it difficult to hold AI systems accountable for their decisions and actions, especially when they are in need. And going through the dependency and loss of skills. Because if we depend on AI, there will be a certain possibilities that we depend and lose our skills through the AI. So, over-reliance on AI in various aspects of life can lead to a loss of essential skills among individuals. For example, excessive use of navigation AI might damage people's sense of direction. Yeah, that's maybe true, like Google Maps. We are depend on them for root, and they are an AI model. And the main thing, autonomous weapons, which was very disturbing for us. If AI has that power to control any system, any technology, then this will be a so disastrous for us in future. Because AI is dangerous more than a nuclear weapon. And AI technology could be used in the development of autonomous weapons, leading to the potential arms race and resisting human control over life and death decisions in conflicts. Like if, like we are losing our control in life or death. AI in future, AI will perform who will want to live and who will choose death. So this is a harsh fact. And now we are going to social manipulation. So yeah, AI has the power, and algorithms in social media and online platform can be used to manipulate public opinion, spread information, and polarize societies. And that's what AI is doing right now. Like AI, like if you search anything on Facebook and you post a group photo and you don't know the person, but AI has the capability to track their face, and within a minutes or an hour you will get that person in your add friend option. So yeah, anyhow, AI is using our information. And going to the conclusion, to mitigate these dangers, it is essential to develop and implement responsible AI practices, including rob- robust data protection, unbiased training data, explainable AI models, and clear regulation to ensure ethical use and prevent the misuse of AI technologies. It also crucial for individuals to be aware of the potential risk and educate themselves about AI to make informed decisions and protect their interests. Let's give two example. Like there are many technologies like Elon Musk has created Tesla and themselves car work on AI. But I want to know that it's my personal question to all of you. Like their cars works on AI, and if sometimes, yeah, someday the accident happens, who is responsible for that accident? AI, Elon Musk, the company Tesla, the person who are in the car. So there is no individual that against the AI. So thank you. That's all. Have a good